Guys, I'm here at Jordan's block here, so I'm heading towards seeing them. What are they doing? Some family gathering here. Yeah, today is look cloudy and gloomy, and it's El Nino effect that is causing all this. So we had a dry spell, and it's a bit hot and uh, like see, you can see that place is drying up. Some grasses are drying up as well, and to buy greens and vegetables in the market is a bit expensive because El Nino is also affecting the normal agricultural output that we normally used to buy from the market is reducing, and the cost of buying vegetables at the market is very expensive due to limited supplies. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, so I'm here at Tent City visiting family members, and we are discussing some issues. So guys, make sure to like this video and make sure to leave a comment and share with your family members as well. Yeah guys, thanks for continually supporting this YouTube channel. Guys, I'm here at Joram's area here at Tent City towards Bumayang Secondary School. I'm here, but Joram is not around. He went to the bush to do some other things. Maybe he's looking for some timbers to build his house. So I think he's not around. So I'm heading back to Taraka. So guys, thanks for supporting this channel. Make sure to like, share and comment on this YouTube channel. Your contribution is much appreciated. Mas lai apply lo sam lo college o kainos. Awasya kay kimani. Dislol maroka play all shooting no se kain normal no se mipla no ka raus no ko kami mipla bunte all kisi gen lo side po salim no tri monumental